All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verbs. So exist, exist, exist. To be alive, to be physical, physical. Something you can touch, touch, and interact with. Interact and use, interact. Yes, exist. Exist. So, my book exists. It's real. It's a thing. It exists. My hat exists. It is not just a picture online. It exists. Yeah. Very good. These plans exist and are ready. We have existing plans, ideas that are already figured out. They are ready to go. She looks in the mirror and sees her existence. Yeah, existence. Yes, very good. Yeah. She exists. She exists in the mirror. Yeah. How cool is that? It has existed for a long time. That's been a thing for a long time. It has existed since 2000, for example, 20 odd years. Yeah. She is an existing person. She exists. She's real. Yeah. How cool is that? It has, well, they have existed, well, together for a long time. Yeah. This technology won't exist for a few more years. That kind of technology won't be a thing until a few more years. It just doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. Those ideas are smart, but the technology to make it does not exist yet. Not yet. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Exist. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. Exist. Yeah. So, because of my skills, this channel exists. The time, energy, organization, and effort I've put into this channel, it exists. And you can listen, you can learn from it. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use exist in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.